I'm Dr. Gardner, and today I wanted to talk about weight management in our dogs. We love our pets so much, and we love to give them extra treats sometimes, and especially the ones they really enjoy, just like we like to treat ourselves. But obesity truly is a problem in pets, and it can really negatively affect their quality of life. But it can also be very hard to manage. So I wanted to go over some of the reasons that could be behind that and how we can fix it. So obesity is a chronic inflammatory condition. The fat cells actually release mediators that contribute to a chronic inflammation, and that can lead to so many negative processes in the body.
So because of this chronic inflammation, dogs can develop conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, orthopedic conditions like arthritis. They can have kidney and liver damage, and they are at an increased risk for cancer. It can also lead to complications with general anesthesia, and it lowers their immunity. And dogs that are obese have been shown to be at higher risk for developing urinary bladder stones. So these are some of the reasons that we want to maintain a healthy weight in our pets. And people will ask me, how do I know if my dog is overweight? And so in the description, I'm putting a link to a body condition score chart, and it will help you to assess your own pet and know if they are overweight. And you want them to be sort of in the 4 to 5 range. Though I do want to point out that genetics also play a role in weight for our pets. And some dogs tend to be heavier and some dogs tend to be lighter, and that is completely fine as long as they are within the healthy range. I also want to point out that there are some diseases that can contribute to obesity, things like hypothyroidism and Cushing's disease. So if you're doing all the right things and your dog still isn't losing weight, then you should definitely consider talking with your veterinarian and potentially having them test it to make sure there's not an underlying medical condition. People will also ask me, how safe and how fast should my dog be losing weight? So if you have a 50-pound dog, about half a pound per week is appropriate for weight loss. You never want your dog to lose weight too quickly. And of course, the other thing is exercise and diet. So if you're able to do a home-cooked diet, that's definitely the best. Home-cooked diets tend to be lower in calories, but still make your dog feel satisfied because they're high in volume. If you can't do that, then there are also some other fresh food diets that are available on the market, and I will put links to the ones that I like the best in the description. And then exercise. So if you can get your dog out to run around and play, that will always benefit them. It improves their quality of life, their joints, their mobility. So that is always an excellent plan. Probiotics are the last thing that I also think can contribute to a healthy weight. And of course, there are some herbs that can also be very helpful. Cinnamon is the best one. It's actually been shown to lower fasting blood glucose levels. Also, ginseng, which you want to use in moderation, and garlic, which you want to use very small amounts of. Also, chamomile, turmeric, and rosemary are all helpful in supporting and maintaining a healthy weight.
So I hope that you all find that helpful and contributes to keeping your pet healthy and active and on a good nutritional program. And I welcome any questions or comments, or if there's anything that you would like to learn about, any specific herb, or you have something that you would like me to cover, please let me know. I hope that you will like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.